Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the WhatsApp chat you want to change wallpaper for now. Tap the three dots in the top right to open the menu. From that menu, select Settings, then Chats, then Wallpaper to open wallpaper options. You will see choices: Default, Solid Color, My Photos, or No Wallpaper for removal. Choosing No Wallpaper clears any custom image from that chat immediately. This first step accesses the exact controls you need to remove wallpaper quickly. Tap Wallpaper and then tap Change to see the wallpaper choices available. Scroll through Default, Solid Color, My Photos, and No Wallpaper options in the picker. Select No Wallpaper to immediately remove the current wallpaper from the chat and restore transparency. If you prefer the built-in look, choose Default to reset to WhatsApp standard background for that chat. After selecting, tap Set or Apply and return to the chat to verify the change. The chat will display without the custom wallpaper now. On Android, you can also open Chat, then Wallpaper, or long press the chat and choose More for quick access. For iPhone, open the chat, tap the contact name to open chat info, then tap Wallpaper and sound to change or remove wallpaper. If the wallpaper does not clear, restart WhatsApp or update the app to troubleshoot persistent issues. Back up your chats before major changes to keep messages safe. These alternate steps cover both platforms and common problems for removing wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.